All right, so the pattern that I always pick up on is what we call the product of a sum and difference. And so if I am, like, without the pattern, if I were to just double distribute this, I'm going to get x to the 9th, because x cubed times x cubed. And I'm going to get x to the negative, so negative 8x cubed. But then I'm going to get positive 8x cubed, because so I've done this one, that one, now this one. Now I'm going to take 8 times negative 8, so I'll get a negative 64. And so what happens to our middle terms is they go away. They become 0. Negative 8 plus 8 is 0, and so we end up with x to the 9th minus 64. And so basically the sum and difference is if I have a plus b times a minus b, our answer is going to be a squared minus b squared. And that's how that pattern works. And like I said, to me, that one's easier to remember. But either pattern can be used. And so in case you just want a place where the patterns are, squaring of binomials when we have a plus b squared, which is the same as a squared plus 2 times ab plus b squared, or if you have a minus b quantity squared, it is all the same except it's a minus for the middle term. And then the product of a sum or difference, if you have a plus b times a minus b, you're going to end up with a squared minus b squared. And so those are your patterns. You can use them, or you can just double distribute and get your answer in the end. It doesn't matter. It's both the same. There really is no difference. The patterns can just make it to where it goes a little bit faster. So that is it. And I will see you on the flip side.